Thank you, Dr. Das. Good afternoon, everyone. And I would like to apprise the August body about major smart grids projects initiated by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India at a global level. Our vision is research and development in the field of smart grids to address the challenges related to design, development, optimization, integration, management of the grids that can allow the use of up to 100% renewable energy. We aim seamlessly transition from existing centralized power network powered by fossil fuels to generation systems powered with the renewable energy. DST major alliances, Indo-UK program, Indo-US and Mission Innovation. Under the platform of Indo-UK, India and UK supported 5 smart grid projects with the collaboration of 16 Indian organizations and 17 UK organizations. And also, we created a 3 joint virtual clean energy center, 1 at UK and 2 at India. Under the umbrella of Indo-US program, supported smart distribution system with storage. In India, 15 organizations, in US, 15 organizations are working on this program. Mission Innovation, this is a global initiative of 24 countries and European Union to dramatically accelerate global clean energy innovation. This was announced in November 2015. Aim is to develop and scale up breakthrough technologies and substantial cost reductions to strengthen global efforts in clean energy innovation and double public clean energy R&D investment over 5 years, enhance public and private partnerships via engagement, knowledge sharing, and collaborative programs and investments. Mission Innovation identified 8 challenges. Now we are talking about smart grids. Under this IC1 challenge, smart grids, Government of India supported 9 projects with the collaboration of 9 countries with the investment of $5 million US. In this, 17 Indian organizations, 20 international organizations are collaborated, and also 16 industry and utility are collaborating in these projects. These are the details of the 9 projects. 5 projects are focusing on renewable mix, 2 projects are focusing on electric vehicle, 1 project is focusing on financial and marketing strategies, 1 is on cyber physical systems. These are the more details about these projects. And at a glance, you can see the bilateral and multilateral collaboration between Government of India, DST, and other organizations. And also, we organized a stakeholder meeting with the collaboration of NSGM, Ministry of Power, and 22 academic institutions are participated, and 32 industries and 18 utilities. What is our aim is to bring these academia, industrialists, entrepreneurs, and business investors give the better solution for the country. Outcomes, 17 projects with the investment of $32.8 million US. 202 researchers are working in these programs, developed technologies 45, patents 23, and other papers. And also here, 27 Indian institutes, 39 international organizations, and 45 industry and utility involved in these programs. We organized 2 stakeholder workshops. These are the academic collaborations. These are the industry and utility. Thank you. Thank you so much.